This type of fixed wing is very fun to build. The aerodynamic. The aerodynamic is normal, desirable. Well, I may not run a full dynamic, but I have tested it. It's reasonable. Very fun to build. The skeleton needs to be strengthened. Well, with the state of this framework, it might not fly as stable as I would decide. The body frame is dreadfully need to be trimmed, tidied up, but its basic shape has coming out nicely. Well, I don't think based on the propulsion system it does not need a rudder, but we do not know for certain. The flame is actually twisted. It would cause a great problem in flight. It's very fun to build. It's just a choice of propulsions to make it airborne. Serious trouble. It's not even straight. It might cause you quite a lot in flight. It looks sort of okay, but in the air nothing is okay. In the air everything has to be spot on and correct. See the wing bend in an undesirable fashion. This is the trouble with the handmade craft, that the margin of error creep in. This electronic need to be taken out. It's not designed, and it is not an ideal propulsion systems. When the circuit board is placed vertically against its original design, the quadrocopter simply quit, which means the control board needs to be taken out, level up, placed in a level plane, and the propulsion might not be as I would desire. But anyhow, fancy little toy that sometimes it's hard to get the precise shapes according to your propulsion systems. So you have to make your own. When you make your own, there's problem with, and it's not even getting a straight line. We have the basic shape, all right, but it's not as ideal as some manufacturer and a product that has been already made. That matter. See, it's not even straightened up. It bend to the left and it bend to the right. That matter. But anyhow, that's a big issues to be tidy up. It's not as simple as you say to trim it. You might not be able to trim it. There's no way to trim it. We don't know. With a propulsion system, with with a DC motor or any sort of propulsion system, it sure can be airborne. But so we will test its geometries. So we will see how it developed.